Aim is to install Wazuh, configure it, and how to deploy it at a new instance. So let's do it. So let's start an instance. Name is Wazuh. Let it be Ubuntu. Then wait, why it's taking time? Just refresh. Yep. Wazuh key pair. I have already created a key name Wazuh previously, and let it be like RAM is 4 GB. Let it be like 25 GB. Done. Let's launch the instance. It's done. This is where we will be installing Wazuh. Now let's launch another instance where we will deploy Wazuh agent for testing only. Deployment. Let it be Ubuntu. Let it be like 2 GB. Wazuh deployment. Create pair. It will be 10 GB. Now rock and roll. Start. Yeah, I'll also show how to find Wazuh instances online, live in the whole world. Let's go for the first one. This is the Wazuh one. Let's take this. Let's do CD downloads. Yep. Done. Now let's use. I'm gonna use ChatGPT. What I will do is give me commands to install Wazuh and Ubuntu. Here it is. It's all easy. Yeah. Update, upgrade. Done. Done. Wazuh is a very good open source SIEM instance, so anyone can deploy it on their organization for SOC purposes. Let's say installed. Done. 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 Yeah, done. Where are you, Wazuh? Yeah. This is the required package. Now the main thing. HMOE plus X Wazuh SH. Now all in one. Yep. What is it showing? Recommended Red Hat Enterprise CentOS Linux 16 820 24. I don't know why it is showing me this one. Let's ignore it and write ignore check. Now it is going to be installed. Let's wait for Wazuh to install. Meanwhile, let's check. EC2 instances. Where is the second one? Is it a ghost? Nope. Yeah, Wazuh deployment. My little Wazuh baby. It is installing Wazuh manager. Yeah. Hooray! Hooray! It is finally being installed. Yeah, we done it. Here it is, the username and password. This is the username and password. So now what to do? I think there are other things that needs to be done after installation. Let's see. We need to open the text. Dashboard. Outbound. The rule. I don't know. It's called. Let's say. Only the port 22 is in the inbound rule. It's for testing purposes. Let's say if we want to securely configure it, we can only give this port to only open this port for internet access for inbound rule. But for now, for this, let's do one thing like all traffic. You can also mention your own IP, which can also access, which will only access the Wazuh instance. But here I'm giving the whole access because I don't want to discuss my own personal IP here. Yep. Now, EC2 instances. Wazuh. Loading. I think it should have given more RAM. No. What a password. I suppose even brute forcing. It's really hard to crack this password. Anybody should follow this kind of password. But then they have to write it down anywhere, somewhere, because it's not practically possible to remember the whole string. Here it is, our little Wazuh. Selected Wazuh API updated. We need to add agents. If we successfully add agent, it will show the agent here, and if it is not connected, disconnected, it will show here. Let's add an agent first. No, I think it's dead. Right. Let's go back to this here. Instance. Wazuh deployment. Connect. Sudo. Done. See, if you don't understand how this is filled up, like, you can just simply go to ChatGPT, give this, tell what should I write. This is a simple hack. So the server address box is this. Agent name, testing, testing agent. So simply we need to copy this one. Right? Now let's go for the deployment part. Here is the Wazuh. We have selected everything. Now copy is down. Here is the one where we have deployed. Yep. Let's see, we can see it. It should show it, but not. Oh, I'm forgetting something. If I add an agent, like let's say, for example, if I do this, blah blah blah. Blah blah. Now I need to do this one also. This one I have not done. This commands. My mistake. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, it should show Wazuh here. Yup. 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 Active 1 Wazuh agent coverage 100%. Disable to detect this. Let's see. Open configuration for this agent. So we can configure things also here. We can do system auditing, vulnerabilities, everything can be done here. So this is how it should be done. Let's go to the next part, how to find these devices online. Here you can see, if I turn it down and click on it, you can see this is Wazuh. This is the title. Let's find these devices online. Let's go to this. Wazuh dash Wazuh. Here is a software vendor. Let's shut it down. It's 6,254 Wazuh instance worldwide exposed. That's quite a lot. Many people are using it. That's all for today. So, ta-da! And don't forget to subscribe.